There came a letter yesterday, the ship must sail in the morn. Alas, said the bonny lass, that ever I was born. And it's fine sailing on the sea, when wind and weather's fair. It's better being in my love's arms, and oh, I wish I were there. And the lad he came to her father's house at 12 o'clock at noon. But this lassie being so proud of heart, she would not let him in. And it's fine sailing on the sea, when wind and weather's fair. It's better being in my love's arms, and oh, I wish I were there. So he's brought a ring from out of his coat, it's cost him guineas 3. He says, take you that, my bonny lass, and oh, think well of me. But she's brought a ring from out of her purse, it's cost him shillings 9. She says, take you that, my bonny lad, for I have changed my mind. And it's fine drinking Glasgow beer, it's better drinking wine, for better being in my love's arms, where I've been many's a time. And it's fine sailing on the sea, when wind and weather's fair. It's better being in my love's arms, and oh, I wish I were there.